Have you ever wondered how an automatic car wash system really works? Does it actually clean truthfully? Can it handle muddy, dirty vehicles effectively? Well, today Go&Go invite you to experience the full real-life process at one of our modern automatic car wash stations that we have successfully installed. In less than 10 minutes, the vehicle is sparkling clean, from the roof all the way down to the wheel arches. The automatic washing process includes 7 steps. Step 1. Vehicle check and manual mud retreatment. For vehicles with heavy dirt or mud, especially those that have been washed in a while or have driven through rain and steady mud, staff use a high-pressure hose to rinse critical areas like wheel, undercarriage, and mud guard. This rinse improves machine efficiency, prevent clogging, and ensure a thorough cleaning. Step 2. Vehicle enters the machine. Automatic detection. Just park the car in the correct position and the system will automatically detect the vehicle size from 4 to 9-seater. There's no need to get out the car, just drive in slowly into the wash bay. Once the wheel reaches the positioning point, sensor will measure the car dimension, including length, height, and even the side mirror. The system then adjusts nozzle position to suit the size and shape of its vehicle. Step 3. High pressure water spray. Initial rinse. The machine begins by spraying high pressure water from multi-angle nozzle that covers the entire car, from roof and windshield to side door and rear. Special feature, a set of undercarriage nozzle have clean dirt from below, a part that's very difficult to clean manually. This powerful spray softens and removes loose dirt, sand, and rim, reducing friction. The next step to avoid paint scratches. This is the retreatment before foam is applied. Step 4. Take snow foam application, soften dirt, and greases. The automatic foam system coats the entire vehicle in a thick layer of white foam. The foam contains specialized paint-safe cleaning agent that break down stubborn dirt and greases, especially long-term oil stain. It's deep into hard-to-clean areas like door handles, mirror, and window sill. Step 5. Soft foam brush cleaning, full surface wash. This is the main washing phase where your customer cars is truly clean, top to bottom, front to back, and even hiding spot. After the foam softens the dirt, the soft foam brush gets to work. There are 3 main brushes, 2 vertical side brush for cleaning door, mirror, and handle, 1 horizontal top brush for the roof, windshield, hood, and rear. These long brushes are designed not to cross paint. They are specially made for automatic wash system, quick but even cleaning with no mist spot like in manual washing. Its warranty is consistent for professional finish. Step 6. Final high pressure water rinse. After the brush completes cleaning, high pressure water jets are activated one more time for final rinse. The nozzle spray from top to bottom and front to rear, automatically moving along the car body to rinse off all remaining from the dirt. This prepares the vehicle for the final drying stage. Step 7. Full body air drying with high power blower. This is usually the part that amazes first-time customers the most. The car is dry completely without a single towel, and in just seconds, it's nearly bone dry. A series of high-pressure blower activates automatically, moving from the front to the rear of the car. The airflow is precisely directed to get into tight space like door edge, mirror, headlight, and tail light. This avoids over-whipping with towel, which can cause micro scratch or watermark on the paint. Your Go style shinier, cleaner, and water spot free even in sunlight. After this final step, the car is basically ready to hit the road. No extra sweeping needed. These are the 7 complete steps: fast, clean, safe, and professional. The total process takes less than 10 minutes per vehicle, including the preference if required. The machine ensures the throughout spotless finish, leaving the car dry, shiny, and instantly road ready. Each machine can handle 80 to 100 cars a day depending on location, delivering high performance and strong return for operator. This is not just advanced technology, this is an optimized solution that saves time, effort, and cost for both the customer and the car wash owner. If you find the system impressive and full of potential to bring to your own region, don't hesitate. Direct Go&Go today for full support and consultation.